Hi, my name is Katie Ziskind, the owner of Wisdom Within Counseling in Niantic, Connecticut. We help teenagers and adults of all ages who are struggling with self-harm, eating disorders, poor body image, struggles with anxiety, and even gender and sexuality. So we love helping adolescents who might need a holistic creative approach and some experiences right in counseling that are creative and can help them feel better and believe in themselves and build lifelong coping tools. So at Wisdom Within Counseling, we're out of the box and we're a little bit different than just your sit and talk counseling. We specialize in connecting with teenagers who might be depressed and really helping them build lifelong wellness tools for their mind, body, and spirit. So today we're going to go over a self-soothe box that you as a parent or guardian can make with your teenager, or as a therapist, if you're watching this, you can make. So this is a box that is just a small box here, and you can use a shoe box, and we're going to go over SelfSoothe Kit. So in your SelfSoothe Kit, you'll want to include your 5 senses. So here I have something for touch. So we have dough. You can buy this at Walmart or your dollar store, but dough will help distract your teenager if there is an urge for self-harm or a self-injurious behavior. So we're looking at catching that positive wave and breaking a negative habit. So now for taste, we have chocolate. So this piece of chocolate could be anything that can easily be opened in the moment of a crisis to provide a different sense of pleasure, a different emotion, a distraction technique, and a less harmful way of managing that emotion. Now we also have sight. So tissues I've included and nail polish are great for the sense of sight when we look at our DBT or dialectical behavioral therapy self-soothe kit. Now for taste, sometimes or for smell, actually mints can also be considered for taste, but for smell, smelling these provides a refreshing peppermint, spearmint scent up the nose and can change that neural pathway if trauma or a negative memory is coming up, triggering the self-harm behavior. Now, this is just a fun little loofah. Can be a sensory component, can be a little fidget, but it's also great for just sound. Can be a really nice kind of tool in there. As well, we have crayons, so to be able to be creative, to journal, to do art is a great coping tool when it comes to reducing and completely stopping self-harm or cutting. And we also have bubbles. I think bubbles are great because in order to use bubbles, you have to slow down your breath. So it immediately requires the teenager who's anxious or overwhelmed to breathe and to slow down their breath to actually make the bubbles come out here. So bubbles are fun. They also remind us of our childhood and when things weren't as overwhelming. Now, I also think it's really important to add some additional items here. So a photograph of someone who loves you or someone that you love, maybe a grandparent or even a music star, a rock star that you look up to and can inspire you to get through this rough moment. As well, I also recommend written down 3 affirmations. So I love myself. I trust that I can get through this emotion without self-harming. I am choosing to love myself, and I choose to accept this feeling as okay. As well, I think it's important to be able to use this box when things are calm. So if things are going really well, that's a great time just to take out the box and maybe add something to it. If your teenager is in crisis, begins self-harming, starts to maybe escalate a little bit, you can take this box, bring it to them, and use the items inside together to de-escalate and create a calm release of that intense emotion. If you have a depressed teenager, or you yourself are a parent struggling with someone that you know, a loved one that has self-harm behaviors, is choosing negative coping skills, might be drinking too much, hanging out with the wrong crowd, socially withdrawing, At Wisdom Within Counseling, we are a team of holistic marriage and family therapists and love helping teens really nurture themselves in terms of their mind, their body, and their spirit. So we help teens build a literal toolbox of skills that they can use in college years for independent living and to build meaningful, really playful, creative relationships with healthy friends. So to get started at Wisdom Within Counseling, if you'd like your teen to have this incredible positive coping skill toolbox, you can book a free 30-minute phone consultation at wisdomwithinct.com. That's wisdomwithinct.com. We offer video sessions as well as in-person counseling along the shoreline of southeastern Connecticut. And nowhere is too far, so if you're international and your teenager is struggling, please set up a phone consult and we would love to share how we can help. Again, that's wisdomwithinct.com. I hope you enjoyed the self-soothe DBT skills.